Hi, my name is Lena Vukazian. I'm a certified hypnotherapist. This video is just to demonstrate how powerful energy is. And I'm using a pendulum. Pendulums are usually used in spirituality where you want to find out a yes or no answer. But it's also very good to understand your own energy. So I want to show you how powerful our minds are. So when it's a no, it starts circling around. See that? Wow. And I'm not actually moving my hand at all. So it's circling around for no. And then if I want yes, the pattern goes back and forth, back and forth. And then no. See, going around in circles. It's huge circles. Let's see if I can bring it forward a little bit more. No. And then change it up to yes. Do you see? It's going back and forth. It's probably not showing you too well because I am trying to hold up my arm, and I guess I don't have the arm strength. So let's see if I can try it again from this side. No. There we go. Can you see the circle it's making? It's a huge circle. And then yes. Now yes means back and forward, and no means circle. And you can see it's like a yes here, right? So the reason why I'm demonstrating this method is just to show you how powerful our minds are, because it really is about energy. And I know a lot of people don't necessarily believe in that. You know, everyone has a different divinity or spirituality or religion, but realistically, I'm only showing you what our own energy can do. And these are very powerful too for, you know, if you want to use it for a divination tool, then you can certainly use it, but it is heavily influenced by how you feel inside and what you subconsciously think, and most times it's also conscious thinking, right?